Welcome to Nova. What if the knowledge in your head could literally pay your bills? No camera, no face, just value. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your brain into a bank by creating faceless content that monetizes what you already know. Like the sound of making money with your mind. Hit that like button and subscribe for more income ideas. Let's get started. 1. Identify your expertise and niche. Knowledge is your currency. The first step to monetizing your brain is identifying what you know that others would pay to learn. This could be anything: coding, personal finance, psychology, productivity, tech tutorials, language learning, history, or even your personal story reframed into life lessons. Most people underestimate the value of what they know. Maybe you're a college student with deep insights into study hacks, or perhaps you've worked in customer service and know everything about handling difficult people. Whatever it is, that knowledge is your currency in the faceless content world. Once you know your niche, do a market sweep. What kind of questions are people asking online about your subject? What YouTube channels already exist? Are there Reddit threads, Quora answers, or TikTok accounts around it? Your goal isn't to copy, but to find the white space, what's missing, what's unclear, or what hasn't been explained in an engaging way. Faceless content thrives on simplicity, clarity, and consistency. The most successful channels often take one idea and explain it in multiple formats. After your niche is clear, create a content structure. For example, if your niche is psychology, your series could be 5 habits that make you happier according to science, or why your brain does this under stress. If it's finance, try how to budget like the 1%, or how to retire rich on minimum wage. The key is packaging your knowledge into repeatable, searchable formats that make viewers return. Treat your brain like a digital asset. You'll never run out of ideas if you truly know your topic. 2. Script and structure like a pro. Let I amplify your voice. Now that you've locked in your niche and ideas, it's time to turn that raw brain power into engaging scripts. Writing is where most people get stuck, but here's where AI tools change the game. Use tools like ChatGPT to outline, refine, and optimize your scripts based on your core knowledge. Start with a headline, then break it down into 3 to 5 segments. Think. Hook, context, value, delivery, conclusion, call to action. Don't overcomplicate it. Faceless content is about being concise, not theatrical. Let's say you're doing the video called "How I Saved $10,000 on a $35,000 salary." Your script should open with a hook, maybe a shocking statement or stat. Then introduce the context, why this topic matters. Then share actionable steps, budgeting apps, envelope method, side hustles. Next, give proof or social validation. Finally, wrap up with a call to action. Subscribe for more real-world finance hacks. The structure is what holds your viewers' attention and guides the artificial intelligence in presenting your message clearly. You don't need to sound like a technology, entertainment, design speaker. In fact, simple language works better. Use artificial intelligence to check grammar, enhance flow, and simplify complex phrases. You can also batch scripts, write 5 to 10 at once to stay consistent. And remember, consistency beats complexity in the YouTube algorithm. Great scripting supported by your knowledge turns casual viewers into loyal followers. The brain is the source, but the script is the bridge between you and the viewer. 3. Produce faceless content with smart tools. Let automation work for you. Here's the magic step: turning your script into faceless content. You don't need a camera, fancy mic, or editing skills. AI tools now let you generate high-quality content with your voice or a synthetic 1 plus B-roll footage, animations, and subtitles. Use tools like Pictory, InVideo, Synthesia, or VEED.io to convert scripts into videos. You simply paste in your script. Choose a voice. Realistic artificial intelligence voices are more natural than ever. Select visuals and let the tool do the rest. You can even automate voiceovers using 11 Labs for hyper-realistic tones or Descript to clone your own voice. Want to create animated explainer content? Tools like Animaker or Lumen 5 help you do that with zero animation experience. And don't forget about music, pacing, and subtitles. These increase retention. Captioning tools like Capwing or AutoSub are game changers. With smart production, your ideas get transformed into digestible, scroll-stopping videos without showing your face once. Batching content is key here. Set a weekly or bi-weekly content schedule. You can create 5 to 10 videos in one sitting using templates. Reuse intros, segment transitions, and outros to save time. The goal isn't perfection, it's production. Let automation carry the load, and your brain stays focused on strategy and storytelling. Once this system is set up, you'll literally be making money while you sleep. That's when your knowledge starts printing digital dollars. 4. Monetize in layers. YouTube, affiliates, and digital products. Once your content is up and running, it's time to turn views into income. Most people rely only on YouTube ad revenue, which is slow at first. The smarter approach is multi-layered monetization. First, use affiliate marketing plug tools or products you already use or trust into your videos and descriptions. If you're in personal finance, link to budgeting apps. If it's productivity, promote artificial intelligence tools. Each link is a passive income faucet. Next, think digital products. Can you package your knowledge into an ebook, checklist, Notion template, or mini course? Viewers who trust your content will pay for more organized, deeper resources. Sites like Gumroad, Payhip, or Ko-Fi let you sell directly with no upfront cost. This is your way of turning attention into real money. You're not just a content creator, you're a digital educator and micro-entrepreneur. Over time, you'll unlock channel monetization once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which adds another revenue stream. Then you can add sponsorships, memberships, or email marketing for future launches. Build an audience that doesn't just watch, you want them to subscribe, click, and convert. That's how your brain, leveraged with artificial intelligence and systems, starts earning more than a full-time job. Smart monetization transforms your digital content into real-world wealth. 5. Scale like a media brand. Build systems, not just videos. After you find your rhythm, the next step is scale. You're not just a creator anymore, you're running a faceless media brand. This means documenting your process, content idea generation, scripting workflow, editing routine, publishing schedule, and promotion strategy. Turn it into a repeatable, scalable system. Hire virtual assistants, use project management tools like Trello or Notion, and even train artificial intelligence agents to handle repetitive tasks like thumbnail creation or description writing. Build playlists and series to increase watch time. Use search engine optimization tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to optimize titles, tags, and keywords. Think of your channel as a library of solutions. You don't need to go viral, you need to be valuable. When someone watches one of your videos, they should binge 3 more. That's what turns 100 views into $100 and eventually into $1,000 plus a week. Your faceless channel becomes a self-sustaining knowledge bank. Lastly, reinvest your earnings. Buy better tools, upgrade your software, maybe even pay for targeted ads. Don't spend early profits, use them to grow. Most creators burn out trying to do everything themselves. Systemize and outsource what drains your energy so you can stay focused on strategy. By this point, your brain is truly a bank, one that pays dividends through creativity, consistency, and compounding effort. This is how you turn faceless content into generational wealth. To scale like a media brand, focus on centralized tools, community engagement, and data-driven decision-making. This involves unifying data, automating tasks, and fostering community to deepen connections and drive growth. Also, incorporate user-generated content, influencer partnerships, and build a strong social media strategy around real-life events. Stay updated on trends. Keep abreast of the latest trends in social media, content marketing, and digital advertising. Embrace new technologies. Explore emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and blockchain to create innovative experiences. Your brain holds the most profitable asset, knowledge. And with faceless content, you can share it, scale it, and cash in. Which idea are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Nova for more ways to turn your skills into income without ever showing your face. See you in the next one.